Hi, today I'm going to show you how to enable and disable developer options on your POCO X6 Pro. Developer options is a hidden menu that provides advanced settings for app developers and experienced users. So what we're going to need to do, we're going to go to settings and we're going to the very first one, about phone, and we're going to need to tap on the OS version several times until you will see a notification about activating developer mode, like this. And also, if you have a screen lock, you're gonna need enter your unlock code. So we're going back to the settings menu and we're scrolling down to the additional settings right here. And here we're going to the developer options, sorry. And in the very end, so right now the toggle is blue and it means that developer options is on, and to disable them you just need to press on this toggle and that's it. And even right here in the additional settings we can check we no longer have the option to go to the developer options, so it means that we turned our developer options off. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.